Welcome back to another episode of the Rad Skate Park Check-In across Long Island. I am Vincent Basile and I got my man Anthony Biondo behind the lens. Today we arrived at the newly built skate park right here in BLUEPOINT, New York. It's dedicated to Billy Schettino. His life was taken tragically. They put this skate park here in his honor. I'm a Long Island resident, so any skate park they build here, I'm gonna be stoked about. Thank you to Stephen McChrystal for giving me the info. I've been seeing videos uploaded, and I did not know the park was closed. So I came here this morning with my gang, of course, and there was like guys working, and they were like, what are you guys doing? The park's closed. So we almost left. They're doing work, guys, so like we kind of came prematurely, and I don't want anyone to come under the assumption that this place is open just because we're here. We're showing it to you, and then hopefully in the next coming months, it'll be open. So be respectful. This is episode 21. Shout out to Sonny Brown. It's his birthday. New addition to the squad. I'm very happy about that. Shout out to Kyle Glynn. I got TRISTEN Maldonado here, ASHTON Hilliker, Matt Weitman. We squad up. If you don't know, now you know. So let's get inside of the skate park so you guys know. Welcome to inside of the park, where your first feature here is this beautiful long bank with a built-in fun box manual pad. I love that feature. I don't ever see that locally, right? I've never had that in my local park. That thing looks super rad and so much fun. All right, so I'm standing in the middle of the park, and I'm on this kicker to kicker spot, flat area right here, built-in ledge right at the top. This round bar.
What rail does this remind you of?
Brentwood Skate Park. And then this feature, guys, a gap right here. I love it. Like just open gap right here. It's got coping built on the side of it if you're interested in hitting the side. And my favorite feature in any park is definitely the manual pad fun box area. Excites me even more that they have like a kicker built right there. It's like perfect. Me personally, I love this park. And of course, you guys know how it is in the skate park. Being crowded, scooter kids, bikers coming in. Could you imagine bikers in here, like right now? I don't know. It's small. This is the last feature. Like, literally walk from one side to the other in a matter of no time. I want to say it's just 1/4, but it's small and it goes back up and it's small. And then like this is a ledge too. I didn't look at that. You got to think outside of the box sometimes. And that's with anything in life. Ant says there's the box up there, and you're damn right there's a box up there. Look at that thing. Look at it! Oh my. So yo, let's get some clips, right?
That's the park, yeah.
I have done enough talking. I feel like I've been talking for days. I think this park is beautiful. You know, they did a really great job at this park. So I don't know what you locals call it. Is BLUEPOINT Skate Park, Row Park, or if they're gonna rename it, Billy Schettino Park, dedicated to Billy Schettino. Sure? No, because you would.
I hit right here.
No, you're good. No, you're good.
My tooth.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That was terrifying. Don't put that. That was terrifying.
Ground report, gentlemen, ground report.
Shit nice and smooth. Like,
Yeah.
like me when I talk to the ladies, you feel me? And like this. No.
He's got no riz, right?
Yeah.
No riz.
Yo, Letitia Buffani, hold on.
Hey,
How far does your forehead go?
It's the ground report.
ground report.
How's the ground, Matt?
Really smooth. Not too bumpy. Just right.
smooth.
You already know Sonny thinks. Good but small.
Good but small.
Yo, the ground is great. The park is very small.
Yo, good but small, just like my boy Ashton.
And the best.
That boy Ashton good, but he's small. Yo, tailside, you know how I'm tailside. Man,
No, I don't play battle pass. I play.
I gotta join, if I land this, I'm better than both of them.
Get it.
I don't land down breaking the
He ain't got it.
Yo, let me carry you real quick. Hold on.
Man, this shit, I'm better than all of them.
Oh my goodness, bro.
Bro, my shit was sliding.
Did I hit you?
Yeah, man.
The chains on. I'm Benny Boom Boom, and I want to say thank you guys for watching our videos. Remember to subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, and visit our website.
What's the website, Matt?
www.radboardsport.co. Wow, I'm getting the hang of it.
Who do you want to thank today?
I want to thank Tristan Maldonado, ASHTON Hillliker, Sonny Brown, Emilio Bosco, and Anthony behind the lens,
Hey.
and me, Matty Dubs.
I thought you were Benny Boom Boom.
Oh, never mind.
All right. All right. Everyone, you know I am Benny Boom Boom. Shout out to Matt. Shout out to Emilio.
Good shit.
Shout out to Tristan.
Big T.
Ashton.
You're feeling gangsta!
Sonny. And happy birthday, Sonny.
Happy birthday!
Thank you for watching the newly built skate park here in BLUEPOINT. I hope you enjoyed the video. And like I said, it's a very small park. Don't forget, it's gonna get packed out when there's people here. So you can't be mad at that because we're telling you. So I just wanted to say that. And I wanted to say thank you to everybody that's here.
Yeah, squad up. That was good, man.
Do not forget to ride all day. Peace!
It's cold here in New York and we're still outside while you guys are bundled up. We outside.
You at home sucking your thumbs, watching Netflix.
Exactly.
Yo, come see me. Yo, I'm just saying, yo, you try to kick us out the park, nigga, you might have to see these hands. We don't even skate for real.
Have control of my show anymore.
We don't even skate for real. We bust heads out, you feel me?
Oh!
Yeah! Oh! What the fuck is that? We doing sign language. That means get the fuck back, cuz.